show you how to calculate a loan amount, debt coverage ratio, and the exit sale price. So let's get started.
30 years, 17.5 monthly, 5.5 interest rate annually. So N is your periods, right? 30 years. 30 times 12 equals 360. 360 periods that we're going to. I stands for interest rates. 5.5 annually. So we're going to divide that by 12 to get our monthly. Then our payment, 17.5. We already know that's monthly, so we're going to solve present value. Calculate this. It's going to be somewhere around 3 million. 3 million. 30 years, 5.5 interest rate, 17.5 monthly is going to give you $3 million loan. You are presented with an opportunity to purchase a small warehouse for $650,000. The bank quotes you a loan with the following terms: 70% LTV, 5.25 rate, a 30-year amortization. The cap rate for this purchase is 8%. Calculate the loan proceeds, the estimated annual debt service, and the debt service coverage ratio. So let's jump into this. We're provided with the building is $650,000. We're provided with that the bank is going to give us a 70% loan to value ratio. That means they're going to loan 70% of the building value of $650,000. Our interest rate is 5.25. They're giving us a loan term for 30 years. The cap rate extracted from the market is 8%. They want to know how much loan will they provide, what is the debt coverage ratio, and the annual payment. Well, the loan is easy to figure out. 70% of $650,000. $455,000. So the loan, to answer their first question, the loan, $450,000. Okay. What's your next question? We need an annual payment. How do we get the annual payment? Well, time value of money. We've got the loan, that's our present value. What's our N? Our term, 30 years. 30 years times 12 equals 360 units. Now, we need an interest rate. They provided 5.25 annually. Take the 5.25, divide it by 12. 0.25, divide by 12. And we're going to get our payment. I solved for payment. It gave me $2,512. Now I got to times that to get my annual payment, because that's what they want. They want an annual payment. Look at everything annually. So just times that by 12. It equals 30,000. That's my annual debt payment. Now what? So I've got the loan, first question answered. I've got the payment, second question answered. What else do they want to know? Debt coverage ratio. Debt coverage ratio. This is my debt, my annual debt. And to get your debt coverage ratio, you need to take an NOI number and divide it by that. So what is my NOI? How do I establish my NOI? Well, I've got a building of $650,000, and they gave me an 8% market extracted cap rate. So I know that if I take my building value and I times it by my cap rate, I will get an NOI, which is your net operating income. 650,000 times 0.08 equals 52,000. So now I have my NOI and I have my debt. So if I take 52,000 divided by 30, my debt, 1.72 debt coverage ratio. 52,000 covers 30,000 one time plus 7.2. Answer number 3. You're managing an investment in a local warehouse. You expect the warehouse to provide the following net operating income over the next several years. Year 1, $27,000. Year 2, $30,000. Year 3, $32,500. Year 4, $37,000. Year 5, $40,000.5. Year 6, $42,000. Now the question is, if you plan on selling the building in year 5 and the market is requiring a cap rate of 9% for this type of building and market, what is your estimated sale price? 6-year income. Remember that. It's a 5-year analysis. Five-year analysis, we're going to cap 6-year income. Right? 42,000 divided by 0.09. Got a value, $460K. So if you have a 5-year analysis, you're going to cap the 6-year NOI. Cap 6-year NOI, net operating income. Here's the income, cap it, which means divide it by 0.09 because it was a 9% market cap rate. If this was an all-cash buy, investors are requiring or demanding a 9% return on their money. 5-year analysis, cap the 6-year.